Yes. आ जाओ सब लोग आ जाओ जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट. Yes. Wait, Genesis. Okay. অলপ আঁতৰত দিয়া মই তেতিয়াহে দেখিম আৰু অলপ আঁতৰত দিয়া বহিখন. Okay, good, good. হৈছে? Genesis. Okay, 20 people have joined. Okay, so what? Oh, okay, now see. So last class of when you are writing a number, you have given the commas like this way. You have given the commas like this way. You cannot put the commas in this way. Alright. So since this is one number, so you have to put the commas in the periods only. Already I have told you where we have to put the commas. Alright. In the periods, 1 stands 100. So it is the one period. So it is the one period. So you have to put the commas here. All of you mute your audio. So 10,249 is the smallest number and 94,210 is the biggest number. You have to put the commas like this way. Alright? Okay? Now you have to do 3 to 4 sums. 3 or 4 sums from your exercise. Alright, from the exercise do 3 to 4 sums. Alright, of this similar kind. Now if the question is like one more type of question can make it come. Alright, from the biggest 5 digits smallest number and from the 5 digits, the biggest 5 digits smallest number, right? Sorry. From the biggest and smallest 5 digits. Yes, from the biggest and the smallest 5 digits number by the digits 2, 0, 1, 9. Okay, so now first all of you see here we have only 4 digits given 2019, but the question is what? Form the biggest and the smallest 5 digits number we need to form. Okay, How can we form 5-digit number by this given four?
জিরো টা বয় দিব লাগিব আৰু যদি বিগেষ্ট হয় বিগেষ্ট নাম্বাৰটো
Very good. Okay. So in this kind of question, yes, good. Now again mute your audio. In this kind of question, see, we need to form 5 digits biggest and smallest number by this 4 digits number, 4 digits only. So while you are forming the biggest number, you just need to do one thing only. That is, you have to double this greatest value. That means double, sorry, not double. You have to write this twice. 9 and 9. 9 and 9. You have to write this 9 2 times. Okay? So then 2, then 1, then 0. You have to repeat this 9. While you are writing the biggest number, you have to repeat the biggest digit. Here you have to repeat the biggest digit. And while you are writing the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest digit. Okay? You cannot repeat this smallest in the first time only. Okay? So first you have to write down this one, then will 0 come, then will 1, 2, then 9. Okay? So this is how you have to write down the smallest number. If it is you are writing like, well, see on the board. If you are writing like 99,210, then it is correct, and it is 10,029. If it is 10, board also going to be 99,210 paisa. Yes, it is correct, and 10,029 paisa. Then yes, it is correct. All right. So all of you understood? All of you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. Now I will give one question and I will ask only one. Alright, be ready all of you. I will just ask one and he will unmute the audio and tell me the answer. Okay. What will be the biggest and the smallest 5-digit number we can form by the digits? 5098. So I am asking isko puche. Wait, Janus Road, wait. I will ask only one and he will, otherwise all the guys, please mute all of you. Mute your audio. I will ask only one. Dishant Borman, tell me the answer.
Yes.
Dishant, tell me the answer. What will be the biggest number?
Sir, 5 digit or
Yes, 5 digits, 9 number.
99,909.
He said 99,000. What?
900.
How can you give one more 9 here? You can give only 2 9. If you put 3 9 here, then what it will be? You cannot use all these 4 digits. You have to use all these 4 digits. Alright? You cannot use 3 9. Alright, okay. Now, Jayanta Priyam. Okay, Jayanta, tell me the answer. Quick, yaar. Don't waste time. Tell me the answer quickly. Speak loudly, speak lightly. Yes? Again. 99 850. 99,850. Nilgiri, where you are? Nilgrip, where you are? Nilgrip, unmute your audio. Nilgrip, please unmute your audio. Okay, now tell me, is it correct? Jayanda said that it is 99,850. Now tell me, is it correct or not? It is correct. Is it 99,550? Who is there? Very good. Very good. Nilgrip. Good. Yes, it is correct, right? Because अभी की करेছো greatest biggest number টা লিখিব লাগে all of you now mute your audio all of you mute your audio mute করেছো okay so while adding the biggest number what I have said that you have to repeat this biggest digit. So 9 and 9 you have to write down this 9 two times. So we have brought this 9 two times. Then the next one will be 8. Then will be 5. Then will be 0. Yes, it is correct. Very good. What will be the smallest number? I will tell whom. I will ask whom. Wait. Let me see. कौन है? Marujo Ras. Marujo. Unmute your audio and tell me the smallest number. Khushi, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer first. Yes, all of you listening to me? Khushi? Okay, now see. So what will be the smallest digit? You have to repeat this smallest digit. 550. Oh, sorry. We have to repeat it. This one is not smallest. This one is smallest. 50089. 50089 will be the answer. Okay? 50089 will be the answer. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, next in the next exercise. Okay, now Anubhav and Bhargesh, tell me first in the next exercise what you have. Is it Roman numbers?
Sir, exercise number ki main?
In the next exercise. F, I guess.
Exercise number 1F. F, sir.
F.
Round of following number to the nearest.
Round of the following numbers to nearest
Okay, rounding of numbers.
10 তার পিছনে
Round.
100
nearest 100.
Okay, rounding of numbers. Very nice. Okay. Alright, Bhargesh. Now see. Rounding of numbers. I don't have much time. I will just start a bit. Then I will tell all the rest about this rounding of numbers in the next session. Okay. So rounding of nearest tens. Nearest to 10. No need to write today, just I will give one just introduction of rounding of numbers. Nearest to 10. Okay. nearest to the tens. How to round off any number nearest to tens? Nearest to tens means what? আমি এইটো concept code use কৰো practically যেতিয়া suppose আমি কিবা এটা বস্তু suppose 999 rupees is something is cost of 999 rupees. এতিয়া আমাৰ যদি কোনোবাই মানে বস্তুটো কিমান দাম ললে আমি কি কম 1000 ললে। সো আমি কিবা এটা বস্তু এনেকুৱা ভ্যালু হলে আমি 999 rupees ললে বুলি নকয় আমি কি কৰো 1000 rupees round off কৰি কিনে কৰো নাম্বাৰটো। Okay, so this is the practical use of round off numbers. Alright, nearest tens. Okay, suppose we are rounding off 29 to the nearest tens. So what will be just we have to do one thing only. We have to check this ones place only. Whenever we are doing this nearest to tens, whenever we are rounding off any number nearest to tens, then we have to check this ones place only. If it is greater than 5, যদি এই ওয়ান্স প্লেসত থকা নাম্বাৰটো greater than 5 হয় 5 তকৈ ডাঙৰ হয় then we have to do what? We have to do add 1 to this number. We have to add 1 to this number and make this number 0. That means it will be nearer to 30. Now see in another way also. Suppose this is a border suppose our number line it is 20 and it is 30 and in the mid there will be obviously what 25. So now can you tell me 29 where this 29 in the right or in the left? Right or thakibo na left or thakibo? 29 to left or thakibo na right or thakibo? Obviously 29
Sir, right.
yes very good obviously 29 will be somewhere there. So can you tell me now 29 is nearer to 30 or nearer to 20? 29
Sir,
yes,
30.
yes right so 29 is nearer to 30 only.
30.
So when we are rounding off any number rounding off 29 then it will be what 30 only. Suppose we are rounding off suppose now if we are rounding off 56 if we round off 56 what it will be 56 suppose what will be the answer if I round off 66 nearest to 10 what will be the answer? Tell me, someone please tell me quickly. Now see 70 Bhargav is very good.
Sir, 70.
Yes see on the board it is 60 it is 70 in the middle what will be 65 60 or 70 middle of ki thake 65 thake na thake yes thake right so now put 60 we need to put 66 so obviously we have to put 66 somewhere there I don't know 60 65 66 obviously either side of thakibo right side of thakibo so now see 66 nearer to 70 or nearer to 60 obviously 66 is
70, sir.
70
nearer to 70 only so if we round up this 66 then we will get what 70 as the answer. Okay so ami ki bujhilu that whenever we are rounding off any number nearest to tens then we have to check only this digit only. Alright 66 only ones place. Okay if it is more than 5 then we have to do what? No need to write. It is just our introduction to rounding of numbers. In the next class, I will do the rest of the part. Then you have to write. Okay. So it is 66. So when we are rounding off to nearest to 10, so কি হয়ে যাবে সব এই 6 to say it will be 0 it will become 0 and in this 6 we will add 1 okay 6 plus 1 it is 7 suppose rounding off 63 63 যদি আমি রাউন্ড অফ করো দেন what will get কি পাবো আমি কি পাবো
Sir, 60.
60 very good so see here 63 আছে so 63 we put obviously in the left of 65 only right somewhere there in the left of 65 so see it is nearer to which number 60 or 70 obviously it is nearer to
Sir, 60.
60 so answer will be 60 so now listen remember it is only check this one place if it is less than 5 then you have to just make this number 0 and the remaining numbers will be remaining digits will be the same okay 60 to similar way if I round off 62 then it will be 60 if I round off 61 then it will be 60 again because this is less than 5 alright so this is all for today in the next class we will discuss about all about rounding numbers okay now rounding numbers nearest to tens 100 and 1000 alright so see you in the next class then okay bye bye we will leave this class now
Bye bye sir. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye sir.
bye bye see you in the next class
Bye-bye, sir.
okay be well and be safe all of you bye bye
Good night.
good night
Sir, students.
Good morning sir.